In this video, we will explain what suites and sections are in Tuskr. Test suites are folders that help you organize test cases into logical groups. Each suite contains sections. Sections act as subfolders, helping you further organize test cases within a suite. In this use case, tests in Product Cart Suite are organized into 3 sections, each containing a group of related test cases. For example, all test cases related to adding items to the cart are grouped under the Adding Products section. Tests for modifying quantity are grouped under a separate section. This approach helps you organize and manage test cases in a clear and efficient way. Let's go through the step-by-step process of creating a new suite. First, click the plus button. Enter the suite name and description, then click Save to confirm. The test suite has now been created. To add a section within a suite, click the Create Section button. Enter the section name. Confirm by clicking Save. The section has been successfully created. To create a test case within the selected section, click the Create Test Case button. To edit or reorder suites, hover over the suite item in the sidebar. Keeping test cases well organized is critical for successful QA teams. Manage your test cases in a professional and efficient way using suites and sections. Thank you for watching.